another video. Oh my goodness. I can't believe we're doing another Christmas video. Do you know what? I just love Christmas and I just can't help but doing Christmas videos. So I've got a very exciting video for you guys again. As you can see from the thumbnail and the title, it is indeed another Christmas gift idea video. So this is like based on, because I'm an auntie, I've got 2 nephews and 2 nieces. So I thought, why not do like a little haul, a little gift idea for your nephews, nieces, or children, or grandchildren, whoever you decide you want to think of some good gift ideas, but for primarily gifts for kids. Unless, you know what, if you're a bit of a kid yourself, then you know what, just go for it. If you want a gift like this for somebody your age, then go for it. Like, personally, half these gifts I think I would buy myself and I would absolutely love them and get a lot of use out of them. Primarily, is it primarily? Whatever that is, but dominantly, sorry, I'm just so excited about this video. I've got myself into a bit of a, you know, but dominantly, I don't even know where I'm going with this anymore. But anyway, welcome to this video. I hope you enjoy watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below. And if you know, enjoy watching me, continue watching it. If you want to know what gifts to get children, nephews, nieces, kids, whoever it is, then continue watching because I've got some great gifts for you guys. So I'm just gonna get straight into this. If you are new here today, then hello and welcome. I apologise for my craziness at the start of this video, but I'm just so excited and I just love Christmas. Honestly, these might be my favourite videos to film. And I say this about so many videos, but honestly, I think Christmas videos are just the way to go. And each time, as you can see, I've even got some lights going on now. I've got some stocking, I got a Santa Claus right here. Like, I'm going all out for these videos and I'm buzzing about it. I love these new lights I put up. Can we just acknowledge how cute they look? It makes my background look so much better than it was. So each time I'm trying to get these videos a bit more, you know, appealing to watch, more interesting, better. But anyway, I'm just gonna stop. I'm just gonna get straight into this and I hope you guys enjoy. So here we go. These can be gifts for whoever, gifts for boys or girls, whichever you want to do this for. Okay, so let's just get straight into this and I always say that, let's get straight into this, but yeah, let's actually get straight into this. For the girls, I kind of went for very similar presents because they're sort of very little, and these are presents for them when they're a bit older. So obviously when they're babies, they don't get much use out of things, they just chew and dribble everywhere. As I'm sure most of you know, if you've got kids or you're an auntie or an uncle, whoever you are. But do you know what? I'm going to buy presents that I think the future they'll like as well. And I've tried to go for a bit of like environmentally friendly. I don't like buying plastic everything. Some things it is quite hard to buy non-plastic items, but I'm trying to do my best. I want like wooden things and like trying to be environmentally friendly as possible, recyclable as possible. But anyway, for the first one, we've got this lovely little tea set from Home Bargains. Oh my gosh, can we just acknowledge how amazing Home Bargains is for gifts at the moment? Especially little wooden gifts like this. Like, this is just the cutest thing ever. And when I was a little girl, I was obsessed with tea sets. And personally, I just think they're so cute. Such like a girly little gift to have. But it's all wooden and it comes with a set of 1 tray, 2 cups and saucers, 2 teaspoons, 1 teapot and 1 sugar bowl and 1 milk pincher. So how cute is that? Honestly, it was so cheap. I think it was $8.99 and it is the cutest tea set I've ever seen for $8.99, wooden. So it's, you know, environmentally friendly, it's not plastic and it's all wooden, so it's great. It is 3 years plus, but you know what? Doesn't matter. Look at that. Isn't that just adorable? So I've got 2 of them, 1 for each of the nieces, because I thought, you know what, let's just buy them the same thing because they're very similar age. Well, not similar, but you know, it's just only fair. They both get a tea set, and I think every little girl should have a tea set to have a little tea party and all that. Do you know what? That's just the cutest. Then we've got, so $8.99 for those. We've then got these gorgeous, oh my gosh, I swear I've got like a theme going on. Like, a lot of things are from Home Bargains, not gonna lie, and Poundland, and yeah. I'll just tell you where each of these things have come from. But we've also got 2 really cute. So for this Christmas, I didn't want to spend too much on my nieces and nephews because, you know what, it's not about presents, it's about the thought that counts. So I just thought I'd get them something cute and small, nothing too extreme, nothing too expensive. And as you can see, definitely not expensive with the prices they've got on these books. I think every child should have little stories to read before bedtime, which is really nice. And obviously it's got to be princess stories for my nieces because they're obsessed with Disney. My whole family obsessed with Disney, and the kids are. So I thought we've got a Little Mermaid one, which can go to one of them. I'm not sure who's going to have what yet, but I'm thinking this is going to go to my little niece Evelyn, which is really cute. It's a Little Mermaid one. And we've got a Cinderella book for Harper, which is really cute as well. I don't know if you can see that. Oh, sorry, the light. There we go. And they were both £1.29 each, which, how amazing is that, honestly? Like, look, isn't that just the cutest thing you've ever seen? Really darn cute. So again, books are great. I don't think they're bad for the environment. Personally, I don't think they are. We've got the wooden tea set so far as well, and that's all wooden, which is recyclable and better for the environment, not plastic related. And I think that's the girls' presents done. I can hear you rummaging out the door. It's really off-putting. Right, let's on to the next bit. As we're talking about recyclable, environmentally friendly sort of gifts, let's go to the next one that I love. Honestly, every time I see one, I'm like, I have to get one. I just love these. So these are for the nephews now. And this one especially is so bloody cute. Like, honestly, such a great idea. And that is these beautiful little cars, like these little trucks, cars, whatever you like to call them. This is a little recovery truck, as it says on there, and it's wooden car. Like, you don't need any of this plastic stuff, guys. I can't emphasize enough. Yes, it's hard. Sometimes you do have to buy plastic things because you can't find things in wooden, but if you have the alternative, you can either choose between a wooden toy that's the same as a plastic toy, please go for the wooden because it's so much better for the environment, and plastic is just so wasteful and just crappy for the environment. So please, if you can, go for the wooden choice if you have got the choice between the two. And just look at that. And this is from Aldi. The Aldi every year, like for the past few years, have done these, and I think they do them throughout. I think I bought this months ago. I just put it away and I thought that is a great present to have, just like a little Santa present or something. Just thought it was really, really cute. And I know my nephews love cars. They're obsessed with car related things, trucks, vans, anything like that. It's like cool car, you know. So this was £6, I believe, or £5, £5-6. It was a while ago that I got it, but yeah, £5-6, and they are so cute. We've also got, so my nephew Hudson, he is obsessed with Lego, and as a child I was obsessed with Lego as well, so I don't blame him. Lego is it's just so much fun. You can sit there for ages just building. But the one thing he doesn't have is one of these, and that is one of the Lego platform little, like, what are they called? Platform bases. There we go. A base plate, so building things on. So if you're looking for one of these, they do them in Home Bargains and Poundland, I believe. I got this one from Home Bargains, and I think it was only a couple of quid, like £2-3, and maybe even less. I think it was like £2 or something. Yeah, but they do them in various different colours, like green, red, blue, and I got the blue one because blue is one of his favourite colours. So if you are looking for one of these or any Lego, Home Bargains does amazing sets of Lego, like loads of different ranges of different types of Lego. And I know a lot of shops do their own like brand, their own little range of Lego. So if you are looking for those type of things, look at Home Bargains or Poundland. Yeah, just go for it. But yeah, these, I know he's gonna love this because he loves building stuff. Also, right, let's have a look. I know it's plastic, I do apologise. You can't get everything non-plastic. I know it's hard. But also, again, cars, they're obsessed with cars. Like, I don't know any boy that's not obsessed with cars. Just, they're obsessed. Absolutely obsessed. I love the Hot Wheel cars. Like, every time I go into like Home Bargains, Poundland, wherever it is, Tesco's, like, you always find some really cool Hot Wheels little cars. And I bought these ones because I just thought they were really cute. I just love that. It's a little donut. Like, what even is that? A donut drifter. Look at that. And the Hot Wheels cars are only £2 each or something, is it? Or what is it? Like £1.50, £2 each? I don't know. They vary in different shops, but I think Home Bargains are like £1.50 or something, and Poundland they're like £1.50, I believe. I think so. But yeah, that's that one. And then we've also got this really cute one here as well. I love them. I keep buying them and I'm like, I want to keep them myself. Again, stocking fillers, or if you're making your own calendars, you can pop this in a calendar, or again, Santa presents, or yeah, just great little gifts. We've also got, let's have a look at this, shall we? This is probably one of my favourite presents, like, that I've actually purchased. Because basically, I'm a student nurse. I've worked in the healthcare sort of world for a few years now, and I'm studying to become a nurse. And like, I want to try and educate my nieces and nephews with like what the hospital does and what doctors do and nurses. And I talk about how I go to work and help people, and I talk about like stethoscopes and like how you have to feel and hear the heart and all that. So basically, I'm trying to educate them a little bit. Obviously, they're very young. I bought him his own little, again, I apologise, it is plastic, but I couldn't find this in another way. I think you can find it wooden, but didn't have as much as I wanted. I wanted like all the little bits and pieces. But I bought him a doctor's little kit. Oh my God, look at that. Isn't that just so cute? 3 years and up. He is 3 years. And it's just, like, look at this. How cute is that? It also comes with some little like teeth. I couldn't fit it back in the box because it came in a big package like this from Amazon. Oh my gosh. So basically you can examine the teeth as well. So with this, it's got this bit as well. Oh my God, how cute is that? So you can look and, I don't know, whatever you want to do with that. And it comes with everything, little scissors. So I'm just trying to show you guys as best as I can. Little scissors, little doctor glasses. Look at those. A little thermometer. And they all light up and all that fun stuff. Let me see if I can find one. A little doctor's badge. Also a little stethoscope kit, which is there. And there is another part of it in here. Oh, again, here we go. It all lights up, look. Look at that. How darn cute is that? That is so cute. I love it. I kind of want to keep it myself. But yeah, it comes with like a little stethoscope, little pill box, all of that. It comes with literally all the little knicks and, was it? Knickknacks? But yeah, it comes with all the little knickknacks. It comes with all the little utensils, whatever they're called, little bits and bobs, and it's so cute because I know my nephew's gonna love, like, I don't know about you guys, but kids are obsessed with like the most littlest things. You give them something like, I don't know, I say you give them a car, right, and they'll go for like the little bit of, I don't know, a bit of plastic they found on the floor that's like from something that's significant that needs to go in the bin. I don't know about everyone else, they pick out the things that you don't want them to have, and they're obsessed about. Let me just pop these bits away. Sorry, I'm trying not to ramble too much, but I just can't help it. It's just who I am. I'm a bit of a rambler. I love to talk. And yeah. Right, I think that's those ones. Oh wait, the doctor's outfit also comes with a little outfit, like a little, what is it, a cloak thing? What are they called? A doctor's jacket with a little hat. I'm just obsessed, sorry. I'm getting too excited about this. Okay, let me show you. Oh, I can't really show you this one, but basically I'll pop a little picture up in this little bit here, and I will show you what it looks like. Basically, I went to Ikea a while back. Obviously, I did an Ikea video. If you haven't seen that, go check my Ikea video out. And I purchased in that. I don't think I showed it because in case my sisters watched it or anything like that, because they don't know what my other nephew's getting. But basically, he's getting a little table and 2 chairs. Those little Ikea tables and chairs for kids. And oh my gosh, can't wait for him to have it because I know it's going to come in so handy as they don't have one for him. He sits at the big table with his big chair. So I'm really excited about that. I'm going to build it up the day before Christmas and have it ready with a bow or something around it under the tree or something. So for Christmas Day for my other nephew. So if you're thinking of really great present ideas and it's something practical from Ikea. So I didn't say, yeah, the table and chairs from Ikea are like £20 or something like that, £25 with 2 chairs and a table. And the doctor's kit, sorry, was about £16 from Amazon. I forgot to say that. Last but not least, I just want to quickly show you the wrapping paper that I got for my nephews and nieces for Christmas for when I wrap their presents. Oh my gosh. Do you know what? Wrapping paper and doing all the little bits and pieces after, like, I don't know, it's the presentation of the wrapping and all that, and yeah, I'm just so excited. Basically, I bought this because I quite liked it. I don't know, I would love it if someone wrapped my presents in something like this, but that is this really cute, look at it, Peppa Pig Christmas wrapping paper from Aldi. Is it from Aldi? Yeah, Aldi again. Look at that. Isn't that just the cutest thing you've ever seen? I've also got this really cute, again cute, adorable, there we go, another word, adorable Marvel kids wrapping paper again. It's got all the Marvel characters. It's got Spider-Man, it's got Captain America, Hulk, Iron Man. It's got all of them. It's just Black Panther. Look at that. Isn't that just great wrapping paper? And I've also got, I thought I'd show you all my wrapping paper that I've got. This beautiful striped Christmas, like, it reminds me of a candy cane, but obviously golden white. I just love the traditional candy cane look. And also lastly, I've got this really adorable, there we go, adorable Christmas wrapping paper, which is obviously Disney again. And it's got Disney characters like Mickey, Minnie, Goofy, Donald. Anyone else? And Pluto. Absolutely adorable. I love the traditional Disney wrapping paper. You can't go wrong with traditional Disney wrapping paper. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I feel like I rambled way too much. I feel like my energy level is slowly going. I've got a bit of a cold, so I do apologise. My throat's like, oh, you know. But I hope you guys thoroughly enjoyed watching this. I love showing you what Christmas gifts I've got and ideas. Again, if you are struggling with ideas, these are great ideas. Personally, I think. I don't know, people might disagree, but if you are looking for affordable little cute gift ideas for nephews, nieces, then there you go. You've got a selection there. Home Bargains, Aldi, Amazon, Poundland sort of places. And yeah, it just shows where I'm always shopping, isn't it? But then lockdown has happened, so, and we've had COVID, so it's been hard to buy presents, obviously. But these are kind of just easy access sort of presents that are really cute and affordable. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Oh. Sorry. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I hope you continue watching. I do apologise for the rambling, and hopefully I'll see you in another video. If I do, then I will see you next time. If I don't, then that's fine. Just thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and all that fun stuff. And I will see you in another video. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas, guys. I hope you have a wonderful December, and I will continue bringing you as many Christmas videos as I possibly can. Thank you for watching. Bye, guys.